this is Navi from penhouse.in. Hope all are doing great. Today we are going to review this Jinhao 9056 fountain pen. In this video we are going to see writing of the pen, the overall length, weight. So before going to the video, we are doing our best on reviewing, right? But most of the subscribers are watching our contents but not yet subscribed. You can view that on the screen. Most probably 90% of the subscribers are not yet subscribed. If you subscribe our channel, that will motivate and help us to grow more and more. So kindly subscribe to penhouse.in YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified to you. Let's move on to the video. Now we are going to see this pen. Wow, it's very smooth, you can see here, and it's in a black color. Wow, this is Jinhao 9056 model fountain pen, and this overall body is made up of natural rosewood, and this clip, it's a brass clip and it's a user friendly clip, so we can easily insert this in a pocket or diary. Okay, it's just amazing, and this shape is a torpedo shape. Okay, now we'll see construction of the pen. Now we are going to calculate the overall length of this Jinhao 9056 model fountain pen. Okay, it's 142.70 mm. Now we are going to unscrew the cap and check the length. Okay, it's 125.06 mm. Now we are going to calculate the diameter. It's 11.79 mm. Okay, now we'll calculate the overall weight of this pen. Now we are going to check this Jinhao model fountain pen. We are going to check the weight. Okay, it's 42 gram. Now we are going to unscrew the cap and check the weight. Okay, this is 25 gram, and then we are going to check the cap weight. It's almost 16 gram. Okay, now we'll move on to the video. Now we saw the construction of the pen. It's not like a overweight pen. It's in a medium weight. Okay. Okay, now we'll see in this they have mentioned a Jinhao brand name and then inheritance year. It's a plain black color pen. Okay, now we'll see the pen, and this is a snap-on cap, you can see here. And this grip section is an acrylic grip section. It's not overweight, and nice grip section, and it's not slippery. Okay, but it's a short grip section, you can see here. It's a little bit short when comparing to other Jinhao models. And we'll look on to the nib now, and this is the SSF nib, silver surface finish, and this is the fine nib. They have mentioned Jinhao brand logo and brand name. Okay, and this is stainless steel, and this is number 35 nib size. If you want spare for this nib, it is available in penhouse.in. You can link in the description. You can go place your order and grab it soon. This is not a plain feed actually. Okay, and that's made up of plastic. Now let's see what type of ink system is this. We are going to unscrew this. Okay. Oh, this is a converter type ink system. This is a versatile ink system because we can easily refill and out the ink, and we can use different colors. You can see here in the converter they have mentioned Jinhao, and this pair is also available in penhouse.in. Link in the description. Okay, now we'll do the writing sample. This is the fine nib, so we'll see whether it's writing smooth or rough. We'll go and check that. Now we are going to do the writing sample. For that we are going to use royal blue ink color. This ink bottle is manufactured in penhouse.in. If you want these types of different color ink bottles, link in the description. You can contact and place your order and grab it soon. So we are going to just dip the ink and rub in a cloth. First we are going to write penhouse.in. penhouse.in. This is a fine nib, and we are going to write royal blue in color. Okay, now we'll do rubbing test. I can feel some roughness over here. Okay. Okay. While writing again and again, that roughness will go. Okay. It's in a correct resistance flow, you can see here. Okay, now I'll do this horizontal line and vertical line. Yeah, that's nice. And this brand name is Jinhao 9056, and this is a fine neck. Okay. Now we saw the writing sample of this pen. It's very smooth. Little with some areas we can feel that roughness, but again and again while writing, it will go into very smooth. And I'll suggest this pen because of this color. It's just awesome and amazing. So we came into one session. So whether Penhouse is only doing this types of pen? No, not at all. We are doing many products like MDF and acrylic products, clocks, gift items, corporate gift items also. We are doing on own customization. Your own designs are always welcome to penhouse.in. So if you want to know about that overall categories, price and everything, link in the description. Go check it now and place your order. Grab it soon. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us. Tata, bye bye.